This is how I winterize my pressure washer each year, and it's worked for me for more than 20 years, not on this particular one, but all the ones I've had over the years, and it seems to work really well. First thing I do is I fill it up close to full with gas. Then I put stay-bile storage in it and the appropriate amount. Then I turn around, I run it, do the last of my pressure washing, get done, I drain out the hose, disconnect it all, make sure that all the water's out of it, and then I take the hose from my hose reel and I screw it into the water intake, and I take the funnel and I use the RV fluid and I put enough in it that it fills the hose all the way up. Then I go ahead and I start the engine, and as soon as it gets this out of the hose, I shut it off. And that's all I do as far as the pump. And make sure you don't use that hose to drink out of when you're done. Then the other thing I make sure I do is I drain out the wand. I have forgotten that in the past. Water will sit in here because this is not open unless you pull the trigger, but you can drain it just by holding it up in the air. But I've had those tubes split on me because I forgot that. But that's how I winterize my pressure washer.